Have you ever been through a time where you were tired, where you didn't know what to do, where you were mentally exhausted and you thought on giving up on your commitments and all that you had planned to do? It happens to almost all of us. It happened to me today as well. It's almost 11:30 at night right now when I'm recording this video, and I usually record my daily videos around 9. I have the commitment of offering continuous value to you all, and that is why I'm making daily videos. But I was tired. I was exhausted because I had a lot of work to do today. And even after that, I thought maybe I'll just let today pass and I'll sleep and I'll record a video tomorrow. But then I thought, is this really what you want to do? Do you really want to give up on this commitment just because you wanted to sleep? Can you not push through? Can you not give your little more efforts and just record a video and then sleep? I asked this question to myself. I got the answer, and here I am right now. I am talking to you. I'm recording this video even though it's late at night. I know that it's a priority for me and I'm acting on it. And that's what you need to do too. Instead of focusing on all the obstacles that come in your life, you need to focus on what the outcome is that you're going towards, what your goal is, and be totally focused on that. Have that vision, have that clarity, and it will continuously motivate you to push through, to garner all of those efforts and to create success for yourself. Even if you're tired, even if it's late at night, even if it's early in the morning, no matter what kind of obstacles you face, you will push through, you will create those efforts for yourself, and you will achieve success. I have this quote right here. It says, nothing worth having comes easy. And that's what we all need to understand. If our goal is to achieve a lot of success, if we want to achieve the next promotion at our work, or if we want to continuously add value through our content, whatever it is, whatever our goal is, it will not come easy, because that's the truth. And we need to push through, we need to keep those efforts going, and that is how we will get to that level. The only difference between ordinary and extraordinary people is that extra. And in times like this, when you feel like giving up, when you push through and when you focus on the outcome instead of the obstacle, that is what makes you extraordinary, and that is what helps you grow. Just take the simple analogy. We all believe that what we think about is what we become. And if we just spend all of our time thinking about the obstacles in our life, when will we think about the outcome and the goal we want to achieve, and what do you think will we get more of? Naturally, if we think more about the obstacles, that is what we will get. But if we just don't think about them, if we focus on our goal, if we focus on a priority no matter what, that is what will come to us. And having that goal and having that priority is very important. Just imagine this. A ship leaves a harbor and it has a set goal, it has a proper captain, and it has a full crew on it. Almost 9,999 times out of 10,000, that ship will reach to where it wants to go. But just remove that crew and remove that captain and let that ship go from the harbor without any goal or without any focus. And most probably, it won't even get to the nearest land area and it will sink. That is why you need to completely focus on your goal, and you need to go through that obstacles. The first ship which had that crew and which had that goal in mind also would have faced the same obstacles the second ship did. The only difference is that the people in the first ship and that first ship focused on where they wanted to go, and they knew that if we just get around this, if we just go over this, we'll be able to get to our destination. But the second ship that did not have any destination at all, gave up at that point only when the first challenge came up, because that ship did not know where to go or why to go towards that. So the first thing that you need to get is clarity. And once you have the clarity of what your goal is, what your vision is, and if you completely focus on that, you will be able to maneuver around those obstacles. You'll be able to get over those obstacles like the first ship, and you'll get to your destination. The second thing is to change your approach. Instead of thinking of obstacles as something big and bold that are stopping you from achieving success, just think that there are one step that you want to take, and through that one step you'll grow and achieve even better. Instead of thinking that you have a very big wall to climb, just see if you can go around that wall. Change your approach, find new ways, allow your mind to think of solutions, think that way, and you will start finding creative solutions that will help you get around those challenges and grow even more. Another thing that you need is persistence. Keep persisting, keep pushing, and the more you do it, the more you will get to your success, because it's all about the vision and it's all about the action. If you just keep thinking about your problems, you will get nothing but problems. But if you instead take action and get over those problems, you will get all that you want to, including the success you desire. Whatever your goal is, keep that in your mind. Focus on that, not on the obstacles that come along, and you'll get to wherever you wish to go. Thank you very much for watching this video.